More news coming in. The Prime Minister has spoken to Raj Mata Amrita Roy, Mahua Moitra's challenger. The Prime Minister says that he is working to ensure that the money attached by the ED in West Bengal goes to the poor people who were looted. In a phone call with Raj Mata Amrita Roy, Prime Minister Modi said he is exploring legal options to ensure that the money looted from the poor goes back to them through whatever assets and money ED has attached from the corrupt. PM has said that on one hand, BJP is committed to uprooting corruption in the country. On the other hand, the corrupt have come together to save each other. Prime Minister has expressed confidence that West Bengal will vote for Parivartan in the state. Raj Mata Amrita Roy is BJP's candidate from Krishnanagar, West Bengal. She is in fact, from the family of Raja Krishna Chandra Roy, the king of Krishnanagar, who contributed immensely to protect Sanatan Dharma against the onslaught of both the British and Siraj-ud-Daulah. She is taking on TMC's Mahua Moitra, who was expelled from Parliament and has become the face of impropriety. Big message from Prime Minister Narendra Modi as far as Nari Shakti is concerned. Now he's called up the challenger of Mahua Moitra and spoken about the money that has been looted from the poor people. The Prime Minister told Raj Mata Amrita Roy, who is in fact giving Mahua Moitra a challenge, that he, that is the Prime Minister, is exploring legal options to ensure that money looted from the poor goes back to them through whatever assets and money the ED is attached from the corrupt. The Prime Minister says that on one hand, BJP is committed to uprooting corruption in the country. On the other hand, the corrupt have come together to save each other, referring to the India Alliance. Expressing confidence that West Bengal will vote for Parivartan in the state, he spoke to Raj Mata Amrita Roy. Paulami Saha getting asked more details on that story. Paulami, the Prime Minister spoke with the candidate of the BJP who is taking on Mahua Moitra. The Prime Minister has, in fact, since yesterday been sending out these messages of Nari Shakti and dialing up just so many of these women candidates that the BJP has fielded this time around, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's very interesting that the Prime Minister, who of course, has been dialing these women candidates of the Bharatiya Janata Party, is reaching out to them, is encouraging them to fight the battle against the Indy bloc, as the BJP says. In this case, of course, today he has dialed Raj Mata Amrita Roy, who is the BJP's candidate from the Krishnanagar Lok Sabha constituency in West Bengal. She will be taking on TMC candidate Mahua Moitra. And in this conversation, very significantly, he stated that he is working and exploring legal options in order to, return money to poor people, give money back to the poor people, which has been looted from them in the form of, those who have basically indulged in corruption in Bengal, because of which assets and a lot of money has been attached by the Enforcement Directorate. He's working on legal options so that, those assets can be detached and that money can be given to the poor people. So very significant message that is going out from the Prime Minister, the third female candidate as far as the BJP is concerned, that he's spoken to over the last 2 days now. Yesterday, he spoke with Rekha Patra, who is the BJP's candidate from Boshihat Lok Sabha constituency. She is one of those who raised her voices against alleged sexual harassment in Sandesh Khali, spearheaded that campaign as well. She has been fielded by the BJP, sending out a very strong message that Sandesh Khali will be one of the big, talking points as far as the BJP's campaign in Bengal is concerned. And Rajmata Amrita Roy is the second BJP candidate from the state of Bengal that the Prime Minister has dialed. Other than that, he dialed the BJP candidate from, Alasur as well, Professor Sarasu. So in this case, the Prime Minister sending out a very strong message. And yesterday, also we noted this point that at a time that, the BJP was upping the ante against the Congress over the objectionable remarks that were made against their candidate from Mandi, Himachal Pradesh, Kangana Ranaut, the BJP then upped the ante in a different way, with the Prime Minister reaching out to women candidates and saying that they should keep up the fight, and he supports them wholeheartedly.
Details be with us. Coming back to you in a moment from now. Earlier, we also spoke with Rekha Patra, the BJP candidate from Boshihat. Remember, the Prime Minister spoke with Rekha Patra also yesterday. Let's take a listen.
আমাকে টিকিট দেওয়া হয়েছে, আমাকে কনভেনার বানানো হয়েছে, এর জন্য আমি খুশি। আমার জন্য যদি ক্যাম্পিং করতে আসেন আমি তো অনেকই খুশি হব। আমার থেকে খুশি হবে আমার যে নির্যাতিত মায়েরা আছে, ওনারাই বেশি খুশি হবে। এতদিন ভুল পথে চলে এসছেন, এখনো ভাবছেন হয়তো যে এটাই সঠিক, ওই জন্য বলছেন। যখন সঠিক পথটা দেখতে পাবেন নিশ্চয়ই এটা আর বলবেন না।